In today's video, latest and greatest Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra unboxing experience.
Let me read you some specs. Gorilla Glass Victus, 6.8 inches. It's a huge screen. 515 ppi density. Yes, my friend. Always on display. Exynos 2100, sorry. Or Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. It depends on the region. Oh, there's something in the box. What is it? Oh, SIM card tray and probably manual making that noise. Of course, a huge battery, which is 5000 milliamp hours. Humongous battery. Okay, let's lift the phone. What are the accessories? That is the question. What's inside? What do we get for that amount of money? A huge amount of money. Manual. And the cable. There's not even earbuds. Nothing. Man. I'm not a fan of that practice. But it is what it is. Let me show you the phone close up. Wow, it is looking beautiful. There's a plastic everywhere. I'm going to take it off. It is shiny. Very, very shiny. Take the plastic. Satisfaction. Double satisfaction. Wow. Now it's beautiful. Oops, I hit the microphone. Sorry for that. We have a power button, volume buttons, very clicky. Microphones. Wow, a lot of microphones, my friend. Nothing on this side. And of course, SIM card tray, microphone, USB Type-C, and a speaker. And those huge cameras, which has 108 megapixel with 1.8 light, and another one is 10 megapixels. 10 megapixels ultra wide, and telephoto and periscope is also 10 megapixels. Well, tons of cameras, tons. Wow, it is quite heavy. Let me turn it on. Samsung Galaxy logo. Wow, I'm impressed. With this smartphone, we can use Quad HD with the 120 Hz. You can see it is super smooth. Now let's see the benchmark. First benchmark complete. Where's the score? Sorry, history. That's the score for Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Like you can see, Exynos 8-core, and there it is, single crypto score, integer score, floating point score. Let's see another benchmark. Results. That's the result for the Vulkan. There it is. Pretty good. Okay. Now, audio quality. Let me hit here and no copyright sound. Pretty quick, very responsive. Video. Let's see the latest one. Stereo speakers, maximum. And of course, check it out the screen, which is simply beautiful. Oh, I just wanna feel free, and I just wanna be me. Yeah, I just wanna go so crazy. Yeah, I just wanna be a freak. Yeah, I just wanna rise to the top. Yeah, I just wanna go reach the peak. So I've been really well focused on success. Hey, y'all won't see. Yeah, you don't see that I will get it. Cause I'm really focused, man. I make it with. Okay, that's it. That's That's it. Calm down, calm down. Very nice sounding speakers. Decent lows and highs. It's a smartphone speaker, so you cannot expect something like a big speaker, but for a smartphone it's brilliant. And the memory score is 1300 read and 500 write. You won't see a 500 in here, but trust me, it's 500 write and 1303 read. Gaming. Okay, what's this? This is a PUBG game. Anyone? No one here? That's strange. Okay, 30 seconds. Let me go to the settings, max out everything, graphics. Of course. No, cannot do it. HDR, Ultra. Movie, because why not? Triple. Brightness. Okay, everything max out, yeah. Looking very smooth, 120 Hz screen is just brilliant. Okay. Where can we parachute? Can we do it now? I'm covering the speakers, you see. So we can parachute now. Go fast. Wow, the graphic looks amazing. Let's see those trees. Already? Okay. Parachuting to the small village or whatever it is. Okay. Oh wow, the graphic looks amazing. Really cool. Oops. Let's get him. She's naked. I don't have any ammo. Did I win? Ah, it's just camera. Of course, there's a new 108 megapixel camera. Like you can see, 108 megapixel. I'm just choosing on this side. If you go to the settings, we have all kinds of different settings. Tons of different settings. We can record in HDR10. There's also a director. You can see we have 4 screens at the same time. Video Pro, video. We can go all the way to 8K, 24 frames per second. Wow, good quality. Brilliant. Now let me see. This 100x zoom. This. Okay, can you see those people? Just move the cursor and go all the way 100x. Can you manage to do it? Bear in mind they are behind the glass. So. Let's see. This thing is incredible. Now let me move forward a little bit and let's do it one more time. This time. Wow. 100. Ah, switch. Okay. Again, 100 times. A bit blurry, so 30 times is more optimum. 30 times, pretty good. Wow, this is some spying stuff right there, spying stuff. I've made a couple of pictures. They are simply stunning pictures. 108 megapixel, you can see. It's just no comparison to any other smartphone. Brilliant. Conclusion: this phone feels ultra premium in hand. Same like Note 20 Ultra, those heavy phones with a metal and glass and huge cameras. They just something special with it. A regular S21 doesn't feel like that. Those, you see, there's something with them. I don't know, it's just fantastic. Anyway, I will put the link in the description of this video so you can download from the cloud original photos and videos. No cropping because YouTube compressing a little bit. From the cloud, you will get the uncompressed quality. Anyway, I think this phone is one of the best, maybe even the best phone for 2021. Thanks for watching and goodbye.